Tips for healthy eating during pregnancy. You probably already know how important it is to eat a well-balanced diet, but it is even more important when you are pregnant. Keep in mind now you are eating for two. Whatever you eat, the baby eats as well. In fact, the baby actually takes your nourishments, so you must eat enough for both of you. The healthier you eat, the better it is for the pregnancy and you. Never miss a meal while you are pregnant, especially breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and your baby has probably been waiting since she woke up in the middle of the night. You may learn that if you wait so long before eating you start to feel sick. This is your body telling you to eat. Do it. Make sure you are getting enough of the food you need daily. It takes 4 to 6 servings of dairy products a day for a healthy pregnancy. This can include some cheeses, milk, yogurt. This provides the baby with calcium, which it'll need to develop healthy growing bones. Adding extra calcium to your diet wouldn't hurt you either, especially your teeth and bones. Don't forget about your fruit and vegetable servings. Lots of green is always a good choice, so are sweet potatoes. Not only will you be giving your body what it needs, but you'll start to have more energy. Try laying off the sweets for a week and replace them with healthier items and see how alive you feel. Here are the foods to avoid. Not all foods are safe during your pregnancy. There are a few things you should avoid eating. Unpasteurized products, brie and other soft cheeses if unpasteurized. Certain fish, exotic, shark, swordfish, anything potentially high in mercury. Raw eggs. Undercooked meats. If you are buying a deli sandwich, you can ask for them to heat the meat up a little. Caffeine, soda, chocolate. If you find this difficult, you can wean yourself off, but the less caffeine in your system the better it is for the baby. If you are ever unsure of the foods you can eat, you can ask your doctor for a list of items to avoid during pregnancy. They'll be more than happy to share this with you. You may also learn that your stomach won't handle certain foods that it would before. Some of those foods may include foods that contain grease, fast foods, meat, and certain foods that have a strong odor. Eating healthy doesn't mean you have to cut out all the fun in your life. You can still treat yourself from time to time. Go out and get frozen yogurt or a smoothie. While you are making sure you get enough to eat throughout the day, that doesn't mean neglecting your fluid intake. You'll need lots of water and juices from here on out. The baby will thank you later. Who knows, you may discover that you really enjoy eating healthier meals and continue it even after the pregnancy. This video is brought to you by organic-potion.com. Share the love. Like, share and subscribe.